Watashi wa Alfredo from Mexico City. I think the difference for the Aikido and the other martial arts is the Aikido, you practice your body, and not only body, is very important mind, and you need feeling to the movement. The other martial arts, fighting or many aggression. I think Aikido is a harmony for body, for men. I think it's a total difference in the Aikido and the other martial arts.
I have in my memory, once in TENDOKAN, I was practicing very hard. Shimizu sensei said, "Lorena, your technique very good, your movements very good, your Aikido, tabe." Since that day, I think always what I am really doing. Then I understood that Aikido needs more, always needs more. It's an endless source of knowledge. We are always learning, always putting the heart and the spirit is absolutely different to another martial arts and sports. It's something deep for me.